Yo, what's up, YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Welcome back to the channel. And today, it's time to get serious. I've owned the car for 4 years, so it's better off. No, was it 4 years? It's been 3 years, I would say, man. And now it's time to just really chase power now. So my wife came in. She told me I got a package in the mail. I'm just making it home. And look what just came in. My headers, baby, from Jet Hot themselves. So you know they came coated, which is a good thing. So what I have on the car so far, based on the horsepower that I'm trying to chase, since this is my first car, so I'll build it as I go. If I need to buy another set of headers, I'll probably buy another set of headers. But at this point, the 1 7/8 Kooks Headers that I have would be the way to go for me at this point. So I did get them coated, as you can tell. Yeah. Damn, these look good. Like, the only reason, and I'm just be honest with you guys, because yeah, they're the you have Texas Speed headers, you have the Speed Engineering headers, and I know people say, well, when you're on the budget, headers is headers, but I'm planning on keeping this car. I'm not even gonna lie. So if I'm gonna keep the car, I might as well just do what I need to do and get the best that's out there. And I didn't want to deal with like the steering rubbing issues, because you get what you pay for. Look at that right there. Dang, they look good. Way better in person than seeing it on like in the pictures and stuff. I mean, the quality is good. They got it coated right in there. I really can't complain. So this option here, I did go Catless. So this car, when I say it's gonna be straight piped all the way through, it will be straight pipe all the way through, not just, oh, it's the axle back is straight pipe, or just the middle section, and we calling that straight pipe with the secondary cats. Like, this car will be completely catless. No mufflers, no nothing. So we're gonna hear how loud this car gonna be. I'm gonna be shocked about it in the future, how loud this car gonna be. But yeah, this is what we're rocking with now. So this is not gonna be the complete of this whole build too. So let me just give you guys a quick rundown. So like I said before I got excited taking the wrapper off, I didn't want to deal with like the steering bolt issue that you have with Texas Speed. That's why I didn't go with them. And also, I didn't want to go to Speed Engineering, because I know myself, I feel guilty putting some cheap headers, because I look at it like this. If GM would have built this car, would you want GM to put cheap headers on? No. You would be pissed. You would be trying to go through quality control and all that. So that's why I decided to get the Kooks. If I'm gonna get something, I'm at least get something of the best of the car so it can perform better. Let's get into like the build process, what I'm planning on doing with this car, because this is not the entire setup that I'm going to do. So over this winter project, I am going to have the 1 7/8 headers. I am switching my whole brake on this car. So I actually have 6 pistons brakes I'm putting on this car. So my fronts will be from 4 to 6 pistons, and my rear is going to be the same as 4. So that's going to be a good brake setup. 2, I am going on E85. So I'm getting E85. I got the kit on the way coming. So E85 will be here, I'll say by next week or so, just the kit. So I'll be installing that. And I'll be going with the LT2 intake manifold. Why I decided to go with the LT2? It's just like a fly up in here. I decided to go with the LT2 intake manifold to put on this car, just to be different. I know everybody like going with the MSD, and I love the numbers coming from the MSD, but just to be different, when I pop my hood, I just going with the LT2. Will I get a cover on it? I'm not sure yet, but my main goals is to just next year, I want to at least push like 500 to the rear wheels on this car. Main goal is because I want to track it to see what those mods do. You know, I got to go through a whole year tracking the car, modding out, see if there's enough horsepower, which it is. This is plenty enough horsepower for the car, but what I want to do, I at least want to get this to like 650, 600 on the rear wheel at most, and that's what I'm chasing after. So this is like the beginning steps here, and yeah, that's what I'm sharing with you guys. So The games is over. It's here. A lot of people been asking me what type of headers I'm gonna go with. So you see here, I got the Kooks. I got them polished. Will I go catted? If that's the question you guys want to ask me, maybe. I don't know, but I may just go ahead and swap and get mufflers on here if it gets too loud. Because I never had it before. I'm gonna just be honest with you. I never had a Catless car before, so we're gonna see how this goes. But yeah, be sure to hit that like button, and if you're ready for the build, the real build, since all the cosmetic work is done, be sure to hit that subscribe button. I'll see you guys in the next video.